must pay special attention to persons with disabilities who face unique challenges and barriers that can impact their ability to fully participate in society. The United Nations Convention on the Persons with Disabilities acknowledges that individuals with disabilities are entitled to all human rights. The rights of individuals with disabilities are the same rights, Mr. Speaker, as ours. The Disabilities Act in 2014 passes by Parliament in October 2014 and fully implemented in February 2022, stated that the Act is to be reviewed in every 3 years. I saw the minister before, which means that a review should have commenced in February, and the Act and the law also stated not later than. During that sitting, I reminded the minister, and he said that it would be done in short order. I yet to see that committee. But, Mr. Speaker, this does not look good. But we will see to it that that act is put in place. I also have a serious concern, Mr. Speaker, that disabled persons feel that they have to do the same work for less money and not being recognized or even being promoted, and they have to work very hard to prove themselves. This too will have to stop. Yes. The PNP will establish a national disability fund from the consolidated fund in the first year when we form the next government. We will amend the 2014 Disabilities Act to give legitimacy to the fund. We will also appoint a board to oversee the funds, which will be specifically designated for supporting the disabled through educational and other initiatives. Mr. Speaker, regarding the Disabilities Rights Tribunal set up to deal with complaints of discrimination and other things, other breaches of the Disabilities Act, we will make sure that the disabled community is formed on how to use the tribunal to seek redress in cases where they feel their rights have been violated.